Hello, I'm now going to write the Java program that is of matrix addition of 3 by 3 matrices and using command prompt and notepad. So here I start. Firstly, I make folder in C drive where my Java file will be located. So I name it as test. I enter and make here a text document as matrix add. So I write the program here, and before that I like to set the path for path in command prompt, so that after program I would only have to run it. So change directory. Then as my test folder is located in C drive, so here also in command prompt I have to enter the C drive and test folder. So now I am in test folder. Now I write the program. So here class matrix add, here I write the main function public static void main string args, and here in main function I write my code. Int, as there is a addition of 2 matrices, I will take here the 2 matrices. I will declare here. And this is my first matrix. It will contain the 3 rows, that is 1 2 3, then 2 3 4, and again third 3 4 5. And now in second matrix. It is also I copy and paste here. Yeah, here I want to change the values 3, 2, 4. Yeah, I keep this row as it is, and here I change 3, 2, 4. Yeah. Then we'll take care on output matrix as int sum, and I declare it new int, and I want it to be displayed as 3 rows and 3 rows and 3 columns. So now I write the code logic sum equal to first matrix plus second matrix, and here I have to embed this code in for loop, because we have to get output as all the values for loop. So int I equal to 0, I less than 3, and I plus plus. This is my first loop. and again I will have to take one loop within this. J equal to 0, J less than 3, because I want it to print it as 0 to 1. It will count the values from 0 to 1. J plus plus. Here also, and the loop is complete. And here for printing the output, I take system.out.println. Here I take sum. Yeah, and I require here I and j. Here also within the logic, and plus 1. Here I want a slash t because I want to have some space after each number. So this is the program. Yeah, and here I want I and j. So I j. So I save this file with Java extension, Java, and our files. Here set path equal to. So I have to set the path of Java Java, where my Java is located within program files, Java, JDK, and bin. Up to bin, I have to give the path. So I copy and paste here in command prompt. So I'll set the path. Now I take here, compile my program, Java matrix add dot Java. Yeah, it is successfully compiled. Now I run Java matrix add. Yeah, it has given the output. But this output is in just like a list. We want this output to be printed as after every 3 elements. I want there to be only one. I want to start the new line after 3 elements. So for every 3 elements, I give it after one loop here. So I write here system.out.println. So after every 3 elements, it will print. So here I again compile. Sorry, here yeah, I made a spelling mistake. Java scene matrix and dot Java, and again the matrix, and this is the output. So as we are now completed, so this is the yeah, I would like to again tell one thing, that we have to set the path as bin. Here we copy and paste in command prompt, and after that but firstly before running the program, it is necessary to set the path, or else it will not identify the commands, and here